Hi, this is Richard Delacruz, and what I'm going to do today is show you how to build a rapport and be able to communicate with local businesses that you are a city promoter of. Uh, Hopefully, you already have received this little site here that I put together, which takes you through the steps in contacting the businesses that you want to be able to sell advertising to or premium business listing. Okay, let's go ahead and just get started right away because with all the steps that need to be done, it'll take us a little time. Okay, what it says here is follow the steps, catch a big one. Basically, the fishermen are us or you. Um, and what we want to try to do is utilize the tools that we have received to be able to build a rapport with these local businesses that you can see below. On each of the fish are different businesses that are local, and they can be as small as the mom and pops and as large as a franchise. As you can see here, I have Corner Bakery, Senior Baja, Shifu, Golden Sun. These are all businesses that I have contacted and utilized the system that I have put together, and it has worked for me very successfully. So let's go ahead and get started. Move it down here a little bit. As you can see here, this is a listing from 1 through 6 on what I do to be able to pick a business that I felt that can utilize our service. As you can see, there's 1 to 6. I'm not going to go through each one, but I will show you the steps personally on how to do everything. If you go a little bit lower, you'll see here is after the listing is put together, what I do to promote the business. From here, it's 1 through 10, and same thing. Like I said, there's just too much to go over um, all the steps 1 through 10, but I will start showing you the steps exactly how I do it. Okay? All right. The first thing that we want to do is find a business that we feel, or I feel, that somehow um, they can utilize our service, which is basically advertising. Um, I had a little feedback a little bit on this one business, which is called the Pomona Fish Market. I'm not quite sure, but I remember somebody saying that if I wanted to try a good place to eat, this was one of them. So what I already had did it is I went ahead and Googled them, and as you can see here, it says Pomona Fish Market, and what came up were what I can see is just different listings from different companies that have put them on there on their own listing. As you can see, Yelp, which is probably one of the biggest, is on there. City Data, Yellow Pages, and so forth. What I'm trying to look for on Pomona Fish Market is actually their website. Now, I've already gone through this, and I don't see them having a website at all. See, that's one of the first inclinations that comes up to my mind where it says, okay, if they don't have a website, uh, one shows to me that they definitely need us. Okay, so let's just go ahead and click on, oh, let's see, this top one right here, or maybe this one right here, Pomona Fish Market, Pomona, California. Okay, let's click on that. Okay, let's see here. Um, okay, if you utilized Yelp or any of the other servers, usually on the top part here, where it gives you the information as far as where they're located and stuff, you would actually see a website address right below here if they had one. As you can see, I don't see it, so basically that's telling me that they don't have a website. Another thing is, let me just take it back real quick. I forgot to mention is I also did not see that they were utilizing any type of social media. By saying that is that normally if they use Facebook or Twitter or something would pop up here on a Google search stating that they do use some type of social media, but I didn't see anything um, at all. So Boom, that's number two, showing you that, okay, this is definitely another. I mean, it's a company that we can utilize our services that we can offer to them, which hopefully they'll jump on. Okay, let's get back to here. Let's see where we're at here. Okay, first what we want to do is go ahead and add the business listing to Womtown. Okay, so where were we at here? Okay, let me click back on Pomona Fish Market. Okay, here's the name, Pomona Fish Market. Let's go ahead and copy that. And then, okay, right here is the area in which we're going to place the listing. First thing it says, is this your business? No, it's not my business. Is this business based in Pomona, California? Yes. Does this listing conduct business in Pomona, California? Yes. Okay, name of the business, which is what I copied, and it is the Pomona Fish Market. Now, what is the business address? Okay, which will be this right here. So let me go ahead and copy that and then paste it right here where it's asking for it. What is the business city? Which is Pomona. Okay, just want to make sure, yeah, Pomona. And the zip code is 91766. So, let me put Pomona here. What is the state? California. And I believe I saw the zip code was 91766. What country? Telephone. Let's see. Which is right here. I'll just copy that and paste it right here where they're asking for it. Select a category. Pomona Fish Market is a restaurant, so let's put it under there. Okay, let's see here. Give a short description up to 100 characters that our users may post on their Twitter accounts. It's a very good idea to include your city and business name in the description so it can be found easily searching Twitter. So, the name of the business is Pomona Fish Market. Copy it and put that here. And it said the place, the city. Let's go ahead and put Pomona, and let's go ahead and put the state. Okay, and then for the description, basically what I do is I just go back here and try to see what they're popular for. What are they known for? See, the only thing about this is that it's kind of hard to find what they might be popular for or known for, is because of the fact that they don't have a website. If they had a website, possibly it'd be a whole lot easier for me to grab this type of information and put it down where it's needed right away. So basically, I'm just going to go by these people's reviews. So, okay. Let's see here. I saw that I guess somebody really liked their hush puppies. Let's go ahead and put that on there. Hush puppies. Copy. Let's see, what else do they have? It's got... Okay, I guess the catfishes were, oh yeah, catfish and oysters are great. Let's go ahead and put those both on there. Okay, then down here is let's see, here is basically just more information about the business itself. First of all, I always like to put down here, welcome to, and then the name of the business. Basically, I just copy this to make it simple. Welcome to Pomona Fish Market, and which is in Pomona, California. Okay, and then normally I put the address so that they're able to find it. Let me go ahead and put this there and paste it there. And we're going to make sure we put the phone number. Normally right below this I would put their website address, but they don't have one. So let's see what else information I can get out of this here. Okay, let's see, hours. Actually, there was no hours listed, so that's another negative part, which we don't have much information. The only information you see here is, do they take reservations? This is all just pretty much basic, but it's not something that we really need to put on there. Yeah, I don't even see hours, which is normally, to me, that's important so people know when to go there and not. Um, and the website normally if they had one, but they don't. So, okay. Um, Let me also check to see if they have a listing. I didn't see one on the Google search, but see if they had a listing on Facebook. Okay, I believe I did this earlier. Yeah. Okay. What this is here is, if you've ever utilized Facebook, normally they would have a fan page. And if it comes up to something like this, basically it shows to me that they don't have one. Basically, this is just a listing that was put in probably by Facebook, or somebody that might have patronized this business and put it in there. It doesn't say who or what exactly, so I'm just guessing that it might have been done by Facebook. So normally you could find some more information, but unfortunately nothing at all. So, okay. Alright, this one's going to be a little hard to do because of the fact that we don't really have a lot of information. Basically what you see here is basically all that I can find. Normally, like, what I like to do is put a little about us, which is about us, which means for Pomona Fish Market, a little story, a mini story. Normally their mission statement or anything like that, maybe what they're famous for. Um, Once I finish all that, what I always do is, let's see here, this is my Facebook page over here. I have different sites. Let's go to this one, which says Wontown Chino Hills, which is another city that I'm in charge of. And let's see here. This is just one that I did a couple of days ago. What I always do on the bottom of every listing is I put this, as I know, which is here, support your local Inland Empire business. So let me go ahead and copy all that. So, and then I'll place that, usually, like I said, below everything, below the mission statement or whatever they're famous for. So normally this would go way to the bottom. Okay, let me show what this exactly shows. It says support your local Inland Empire business. Let them know you found them on the Wontown